In 1963, a violent volcano erupted off Iceland's southern coast and gave birth to a brand new island. They called it Surtsey. But here's the catch. No one's allowed to set foot on it. Tourists, journalists, even casual visitors are banned. Why? Because scientists wanted to witness something extraordinary. How life naturally colonizes brand new land. For over 60 years, only a handful of researchers have observed plants, birds, and microbes claiming this island with no human interference. It's Earth's most pristine natural laboratory, and one of the only places left untouched by modern civilization. What secrets does untouched nature reveal?